Eagle Dynamic Solutions takes on the tough task of decommissioning sludge storage units when ponds or tanks need a full sludge cleanout for inspections or structural repairs. The first step in this process is to dredge as much of the solids from the pond while it is full. Next, pump all the supernatant water out until solids are visible. If possible, it is best to slurry the visible solids to the sludge pump that is staged in a sump or low point of the pond or tank. Once an area is cleared, heavy equipment like a skid steer or excavator may be required to move the solids closer to the slurry pump. Finally, as water is slowly removed, operators will brush or shovel the remnants out, leaving a fully cleaned pond or tank.